Hi everyone, welcome back. These are everyday words that Koreans use all the time. At the top of each row, you'll see the Korean word, how to pronounce it, and the English meaning. I'm going to read through each one in Korean, so listen carefully and try to repeat after me. I'd recommend saying each word out loud a few times. That's really the best way to get comfortable with the pronunciation. Ready? Let's go.
집, 학교, 책, 핸드폰, 가방, 신발, 옷, 돈, 차, 의자, 컴퓨터, 문, 창문, 전화.
Now let's learn some animal names in Korean. These are fun and easy to remember. I'm going to read each word in Korean, so listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Practice each one a few times out loud. The more you say them, the more natural they'll feel. Let's get into it.
강아지, 고양이, 새, 물고기, 토끼, 곰, 호랑이, 원숭이, 말, 소.
And that wraps up today's lesson. Now you know some essential everyday object words and animal names in Korean. Try to practice a little bit each day, even if it's just picking up an object around your house and saying the Korean word out loud. That's how you make it stick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.